I've always felt called to share a treasure of mine with the world. Ever since I was a young child, my grandmother always searched for the perfect card to express how she felt. That search, that one she would look for, her journey was passed on to me. My name is Michelle Roberts, and these are my birds. Sometimes we can't find the right words to say. Sometimes we are so overcome by emotion that it makes it hard for us to say how we feel. Sending messages in the present date involves online accounts and cell phones on their last drops of battery life. With this disconnect from how humans communicated in the past, we have lost the ability to transcend our sentiments and relate to the written language as a piece of someone's existence. Just as an actual carrier pigeon holds a message, my birds do the same. Within each belly of the bird lies a rolled up blank piece of paper designed for you to write your own message. The paper may stay and keep the intended receiver warm and comfort, or travel onward to someone else, but the tangible sentiment lasts a lifetime. My birds provide an outlet, one that hasn't been seen in a long time. Human touch. That is what I present with each bird. I make these for people to share a message, from something as simple as happy birthday to writing to the one you hold truest to your heart while they're away. Each bird is made for you, with love and compassion in mind. The greatest gift that can ever be given are the truest words written.